Hey, what's going on, guys? Booster Whips here. Today we're going to be installing our new carbon fiber trim pieces for the door handle trims. We've been asked for these for a very long time, and the best solution we were able to get is dry carbon Pre-Preg. So these are very extra thin, 1-to-1 ratio with 3M backing. So this, we're gonna go and remove that eventually. And once we put it on here, it's so thin that you can't even tell that it's right over the existing trim. It's perfect vacuum sealed dry carbon in gloss, and it's Pre-Preg, so it's very lightweight and it's full carbon in and out. Alright, so I'm already removing the backing tape. Here's the last one. And what you want to do is clean the area. I already went ahead and I already did that. Clean it nice with alcohol, wipe it down nice and dry. You could heat up the 3M, but I left these already out a bit, so they're kind of warm to the touch. So we go here, line, and then we press. You want to go ahead and press in every area. Until it's fully adhered. We're going to do this for the rest of the doors for the rear. These come as a set, available on our website at boostedwhips.com under the Genesis G70 category. And yeah, so let's go ahead and continue with the other doors. Same procedure for the rear trims. So I already removed the backing tape. We're going to align, press. Again, you want to clean the area first. So with this one, you want to do is probably start from here, kind of bend a little bit back, because if not, it's gonna adhere here on this corner side, and then put this one last. Then you can press. Like so, and we're done. We'll finalize the other two doors, and I'll give you a full close-up of how it looks all around so you guys can see. And again, you can get these at boostedwhips.com under the Genesis G70 category. We'll be bringing more products of this kind where it's a little bit more complicated. This specific piece here, if we were to do it a full replacement, it gets excessively costly. And especially to do the install as well, it's just complicated on the door panel. So we decided to go this route, and I think it works. So let's go ahead and finalize the other doors. Final result with up close. It's a 1-to-1 ratio, so it's about 98-99%. Can't even see any exposure. I'll show you the other doors. This is the rear passenger. Rear driver side. And finally, the driver side. If you guys have any questions, comments, go ahead and drop them below. Again, available at boostedwhips.com under the Genesis G70 category. Thanks for watching. Until next time, Booster Whips, I'm out. Have a very pleasant day, and God bless.